Amazon kitchen finds that just make sense. Toss out that old mandolin that you have that probably cut your fingers or sliced your knuckles, because someone finally created a mandolin that is completely safe to use. This mandolin easily allows you to slice and dice, cut julienne and matchstick, and it has 8 thickness options. But the highlight is the easy press handle, allowing you to chop anything quickly and keeping your hands away from the blade. And if you want to switch the cut style, there's no blade switching. You just twist the knobs on the back. I've had a nice pampered chef mandolin for years and I never use it. I didn't like that I had to change the blades out, and cleanup was not very easy. Once for All has included a double-ended tool with a brush and a pick, giving you the ability to remove all food residue from the mandolin when done. I was seriously shocked at how quickly and easily this thing cuts. I tried multiple vegetable options using different cuts and thicknesses, and I am 100% impressed. Find this link and more in my Amazon storefront.